When you're talking about these treatments that you did, so is that how it would work? Like, how does the laughter therapy actually work?
Nice segue. So the laughter yoga process is exactly that. So created by a doctor in India back in 1995. And he actually come up with, fake it till you make it. Now, that was sort of a cute, corny term at the time. But the whole philosophy is embody the laugh. Put the body into a state of laughter. Mm-hmm. And as long as you give into the process, sooner or later the brain follows and you just start to genuinely laugh. So, the fake laughing is, ha, 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 ho, 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 he, all that sort of stuff. And as long as you keep going, something switches on in the brain that says, hang on, body's having a good time.
Yeah.
I'm
getting involved.
We may as well
I'm jumping on board here.
Jump in and join in the party. So with the people in kidney dialysis or chronic pain or the business research studies that we've done, we've got another one hopefully coming up really soon with people undergoing chemotherapy. None of this is funny. So to go in there and say, right, now let's have a hearty laugh, you're on a hide into nothing. So the laughter yoga process virtually says, well, we're going to pretend to laugh and fake the laugh. We're going to pretend to laugh, simulate it within the body, and then the brain will follow. Mm-hmm. So essentially every session that I did, the one that I did yesterday, the one that I'm doing tonight for another group, is we simulate the laughter, and then as long as the people go with it, eventually they start to laugh. And one person laughs, they lose it, and then they lose it, and then they lose it, then they lose it. And then all of a sudden they're just laughing and they're going, wow, this feels fantastic. And when it feels good, you just keep laughing. That's the process.